differences between heat and temperature. Definition: heat is a form of energy. Temperature is the quality or property of an object. Other definition: heat is the change that flows. Temperature is the degree of hotness and coldness of the body. SI unit or the units. Heat is measured in joules. Temperature is measured in Kelvin. Another unit. Heat is measured in calories. Temperature is measured in Fahrenheit, Celsius, and Kelvin. Measuring devices. Calorimeter for heat. Temperature is measured with thermometer. Representation with letters. Heat can be represented with the letter Q, while temperature is represented with the letter T. Flows. Heat flows from hot body to cold body. Temperature rises when heated and falls when cooled. Behavior. Heat causes change in temperature. Temperature is the degree of heat generated. Thank you guys. I know you have learned something today. If you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, like, comment and share this video to your families and friends. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.